Do you look older than your actual age? You've been serious about skincare, so why are the wrinkles still showing up? If you want to slow down aging, start by avoiding the 4 hidden mistakes that are actually speeding it up. Let's start with sugar. A high sugar diet accelerates glycation, a process that makes your collagen stiff and crumbly. The result? Sagging skin and early wrinkles. On top of that, sugar also triggers chronic inflammation, leading to dullness and skin barrier damage, leading to worse anti-aging results. Next, poor sleep habits. Chronic sleep deprivation throws off your body's rhythm and disrupts skin repair. Poor sleep means poor circulation. And hello, dark circles, dullness, and deeper fine lines. No skincare product can make up for lost sleep. Skipping sunscreen? That's fast-tracking aging. UV rays are your skin's #1 enemy. The damage collagen and elastin deep in your dermis, causing spots, fine lines, and uneven tone. Sunny or cloudy, indoors or outdoors, sunscreen is non-negotiable. And finally, facial expressions. They matter more than you think. Constant frowning, squinting, or lip pursing, all leaving dynamic lines which can turn into permanent wrinkles over time. Learn to relax your facial muscles. It's a simple but underrated anti-aging trick. Skincare matters, but your daily habits matter even more. Aging well isn't just what you use, it's also how you live. Follow for more no-nonsense skincare tips.